Before we start taking time data, I'm just going to remeasure the leading edges just to make sure I've got them facing the right direction. So this is cart number 2. It should be 8.89. That's the D to find the velocity. So let's just measure it again really quickly, just approximately. We don't have to spend as much time looking at it. All right. Oh, that looks like it's a little more. Maybe did I like? Oh, I know why. Aha. See, here's an example of instrumental error. I did measure it, but I measured it a little bit further down. What happens is that this edge right here is not exactly vertical. Do you see the bows out a little bit? So the photo gates are up near there. So if I measure up near here, between here and the on the other side, it's the right value, 8.89. However, I was measuring down near the bottom. So that's actually a type of instrumental error. Notice how the photo gates are really far up. So it's not near the bottom, it's near the top. So I measured the 8.89 is a good approximation. And the other one I just measured as well, so that's the correct, the 9.76. Okay, so I'm going to focus on this cart right here and watch it get hit by the first cart. So we're looking at cart number 1. I'm sorry, you're looking at cart number 2 right now. It has nothing on top of it. I'm checking my photo gates to make sure they are correct. And here comes our first time trial. Okay, so now you can see they're stuck together. 0.1404. 0.1404. That's for time number 1. And let's go see time number 2, 0.2716. 0.2716. So one should be approximately double of the other one. They're about equal. The problem is the leading edges are a little bit different, so it won't be exactly, but just approximately, roughly. And that looks like it's about right. Okay, so I've got, what I'm doing is I'm setting up cart number, I'm setting up this cart right here at 60 centimeters each time. And I didn't see the ramp move, but you know, I'm just making one photo gate at 40 and one at 80 always. And if I do this at 60, it gives me some uniformity. So I've reset the clocks. Now let's take the second data, 0.1459 and 0.2796. Actually, I noticed when I explode them off that the track moves slightly. Let's just watch the track really carefully, because this is actually another type of experimental error that can be corrected for. So when I explode cart number 1, watch the track and see if it moves at all. See how slightly it moves each time? It's interesting. Again, so some of that energy is being dissipated. I do move it back each time. And it still should be okay, because we're measuring the speed right before it hits the second cart, not as when we don't really, as long as it pushes the track the same amount of time, it should be okay. All right, so, oh, did I forget to take I didn't take the time on that one because I was just checking on something. Okay, so now we're back to take our third time measurement. So we've got 0.1373 and 0.2562. And it is a little bit off, but I think it's because I didn't adjust the track the first time. All right, so I'm going to put 100 grams on there, and we're going to do our second trial. Okay, there we are. Oops, 60, not quite at 60. Give or take. it's another random error. It's really hard for me to get exactly at 60 because the thing rolls slightly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the track this time. Oops, misfire. There we go. Okay, so oops, this is 0.1336, 0.2759, 0.2759. So I know I do that really fast. 0.1336, 0.2759. That seemed to work if I hold the track down. So I'm going to do each time, and I just slightly moved the photo gate. All right, so put this back up to 60. See, I'm trying to get it right at 60. Oh, I actually got pretty good. Oh, it rolled back. It's actually pretty close. Here is our second time measurement. Oh, just hit the photo gate again. 0.1363, 0.2788. So the numbers are again 0.1363 and 0.2788. 0.1363, 0.2788. Okay, where's 60 here? Yep. Oh, it's close enough. Like again, random error. Oh, yes, right. I have to hold it. I'm holding the track now. Oh my gosh. All right, the cart just went off the track. We're gonna have to do that one for sure. Sometimes it does that. I must have hit it really strangely. Point 0.1376, 0.1376, and 0.2874, 0.2874. So those numbers didn't look all that bad. So again, for cart 1, 0.1336, 0.1363, 0.1376. Cart number 2, 0.2759, 0.2788, and 0.2874. So one more. And then our break for just 7 minutes. I usually try and make them less than. Okay, so the track moves slightly. Move this at 60. And let's try and take data a little. Oh, I forgot to hold the track that time. Well, let me just do another video here because it's getting a little long.